right, guys, so Sam's BMW has a flame pop, whatever you call it, tune, and he thinks that his flames can break a bottle. So I told him I would bet him $100 that his flames, or whatever you want to call
Correction, it will break the bottle.
I don't think it's gonna break the bottle, but we are going to see if the pop flame map tune on these BMWs can break a bottle or not. So let's find out. Will it break or will it not break? And I'll make money. All right, ready? You didn't break it from your fucking res, but you broke it. So technically it broke, but it did not break from the pops he's talking about. So we're gonna have to get another bottle and we're gonna try to hang it. That way we can actually see if his car can break the glass or not. Chris is gonna do the honors and hold the bottle. Let's see if Sam's car can break it.
No?
Try it, keep trying. God damn.
No?
There were some big ass flames.
How? How?
And just like that, another $100 made. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wanted it to happen, but I really did not think that it was gonna happen. So comment down below whether or not you thought it was gonna happen or it wasn't gonna happen. Sam, how do you feel that you lost?
Huh? I mean, it is what it is. I tell you what, Corona bottles, they're fucking strong.
Who is that?
It's Robert.
Robert is finally
It's
here.
Bobby Brown.
Robert finally just got here. Oh!
No!
I knocked the Red Bull over!
I need it, man. Oh, there it is. No
Robert just got here, no hood.
hood was still.
By the way, guys, he did wreck his car, unfortunately.
Already.
He did wreck it, but it's okay. Chris, how do you feel about Robert wrecking his car? Robert! Always eating something, dude. That's from last night? There's no way.
Dude.
Sam, how do you feel about that?
Feel about what, the Waffle House?
No, the fact that Robert's broke and always eating something.
I don't know. I mean, he drives a Beamer.
That is true.
That's all you need in life, right?
You're not wrong.
A Beamer that can't break bottles.
Facts.
Fuck. I was like, I got this in the bag. $100.
You really thought you were gonna get
$100
it?
in my pocket. Nope. It's okay. Alex is always shitting on Beamers, even though he owns one.
I just picked up one recently.
And he was shitting on them like crazy before
And
that.
look at what happened.
It's funny, I
It
put it back there.
doesn't break a bottle.
Fuck up. I bet you yours will.
No.
If we put like a tune on it, like
No.
a true tune.
I don't think it would break anything. But yeah, the shop's starting to look good, guys. What do you guys think about the shop? I think it looks amazing. Honestly, it looks fantastic. Obviously, this side has a lot to work on, but as far as this side, it looks awesome. Other than this corner right here. What do you think, Chris? How do you think this side looks?
Oh, it looks like shit. We gotta do more. A lot more.
We need more lights, don't we?
More lights.
Yeah, I guess more light.
More lights, guys.
More
Look,
pink.
look at how many. Look at all the lights up on this shit. Just absolutely, just so many lights. And Chris says we need more lights.
No.
Robert is the king of lights. He loves lights, right, Robert?
I love lights, but
You choking on that shit?
listen.
You didn't choke last night, though.
Patty melt.
You didn't choke last night, though, big dog.
Listen, we don't need no more lights.
Chris, what do you think? Do we need more lights?
Enough light.
We need more lights.
We need more lights.
We
Sam?
need double the amount of lights, I think, personally.
That light bill gonna be double the amount.
No, these are LEDs. They're fine.
Light. I don't know if y'all saw that.
But yeah, guys, the 300ZX is looking absolutely
My dog shit.
amazing. Whoa. Whoa.
Here, hold on, I'll make it look better. There you go.
There we go. The
Oh,
300ZX
man.
is looking super sick.
It's even painted.
I mean, look at this thing.
Hey, didn't we say we were gonna paint this like a while ago? No.
Chris, you're the painter. Why isn't it painted?
Because we're gonna do all this other shit.
Because what?
We've been doing all this other
All this excuses.
I don't wanna hear that shit.
Let's paint it then.
I'm gonna hand Alex.
All right, you guys heard it. Chris said it. Next video, we're painting the 300ZX.
Yeah, I'm gonna make Alex paint it.
Oh,
We're gonna see how it comes out if Alex paints it.
I guarantee you I can paint better than Robert. Neither have I, except for one
I'll
time.
paint it. We just need to go to Home Depot and get some brushes.
Yeah, we use the same paint we use for the wall.
All right, I'm down. We have extra
Yeah,
gallon.
see, this paint's actually really
Look
good.
at the engine bay though. Yo, Alex, get a close up.
I know this engine bay is absolutely amazing, guys. Like this thing is sick. It looks really good, guys. Oh my gosh. Sam,
We're gonna call the cops out here for the Lexus
thank you.
now?
Oh my, don't talk about that. That'll be in the next video.
My hands are still.
That'll be in the next video, guys.
Just talking about the Lexus and the police, and we got that's a whole nother video for a whole nother day. We may have gotten scammed on Lexus. Hopefully not, though. We have to call the police out because the car may be stolen. I hope it's not stolen, but if it is stolen, then
What did you learn?
we learned a valuable lesson to always make sure you check stuff and don't trust people you know or friends you know.
Run that VIN.
Always run the VIN. Always check everything.
Last 4
Don't
digits.
be dumb. I think that's the big one. Don't be dumb and don't be complacent. Don't think that you know what you're doing. Always just make sure you double check, right?
Sam,
Why is it me?
Sam, do a burnout in the shop.
Break my shit.
Do a burnout in the shop, bro. Your car could not break a glass bottle, but can it do a burnout in the shop? Probably not. Probably not. Sam. Hey, Sam, another $100 that you can't do a burnout in the shop and smoke the shop out.
I'm not smoke it out.
Yeah, you can't smoke the shop out.
Oh my god.
I got 100 for him if you can. I just dropped it on the floor, but I don't think you can smoke out the shop while doing a burnout in your car. I'm gonna be honest. Even with water on the ground,
I want water.
because you're gonna have to keep going in order to smoke it
I'm
out.
scared about it walking around.
I won't let it walk. I'll be right here.
All right, let's cut to Sam trying to do a burnout. Let's go. It's finally time to see if Sam's car can do a burnout in the shop. This is an auto E46, fully tuned. Everything is beautiful in this car. I don't think he can do it. I'll be honest with you. Is the shop smoking? Back up and do it again, pussy! Back up and do it again!
I told you to walk.
How do you feel, Sam?
I told you to walk. I haven't done that in a long time.
All right, give me reviews. Out of 10, give me a score.
Hey, for an auto?
4.5.
All right, Chris.
It's like a 6.
Hey, we're in third.
Auto?
Auto.
I'm
third.
calling you auto, though, because your car's auto.
Yeah, I know. That's
A 1 out of 10 scale, though.
I was letting you. I'd give it a. I'd give it a 4. Like
4?
5.
5, okay.
I didn't get. Look, I was scared because once they get tire speed and then you let off the brake, you just go straight forward. So.
There's nothing here.
Yeah.
Except for that
there's
Lexus.
Nothing here. Yeah.
It's in the 300.
Dude, it was walking, dude. My ass would have hit this. Or no, it was going that way. It would have hit that.
I think it was still sick, though, Sam. How bad are the marks? Oh, dude, you ruined the shop floor, dude. You have
I
to
know
pay
we
for
spent
that.
all night watching
You
it.
have to pay for that, bro.
Where's my $100?
Oh, shit, you're right.
Yeah. Now we're even.
Now we are even, you're right.
That's fine.
So Sam's E46 can, in fact, do a burnout. Did it smoke the whole shop out? Nah, not really. But it was smoky. I will say that, Sam. It was smoky. So I'll give you credit on that. You did win the $100 back that you paid me for not being able to break a bottle. So basically, that's the rundown on a E46. It cannot break glass with its pops and bangs, but it can do a burnout if it's auto, which is sick because I didn't think it could. 170 horsepower auto. I really did not I really didn't think it could do it. But yeah, so Sam's BMW is super sick. This is actually the most reliable car in the fleet that we have. It's actually taken us to the shop more times than any vehicle I've ever owned. So shout out to this BMW right here. This one is it's reliable if you plan on going nowhere. So super sick. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you are new. Another BMW, another fucking headache. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.